So being in quarantine kinda gets boring, not gonna lie. Stuck in your house, doing the same thing over and over and over again. Yeah, a bit boring. So I decided to make a puzzle. And I designed it. Designed it to be simple, easy to do, and shouldn't make you frustrated every time you attempt to do it. So I printed it, and here it is. Comes apart like that. Put the pieces together, and it's solved. Done. I initially intended for a key to pass through these little grooves, but some of these angles, if you can see, they're all the same, and because the holes aren't centralized, they're slightly off, so I realized the key wouldn't work. So I thought, puzzle without a key, it's fine, it still works. And if you're not using it, you tip it over, put it upside down, put it upside down. If you are using it, put it the right way around, put it together. You get the idea. And loads of ways to solve it, and you have fun. It's not like it's boring or anything, but it's not like it's gonna blow your mind. But it's something to do, and at the end of the day, it's something to do, and I'll take it. But these small pieces kind of get lost every now and again, so I might create a little case to put it all in, so it doesn't just all fall out when you tip it over or something like that. Apart from that, pretty much perfect. No other issues with it, pretty much fine. If you have a look, there are some sort of defects in the bottom. That's because I haven't properly leveled the bed for some reason. And I can't be bothered to do it right now. And you might be able to see that little dip bump there. That's because I had a little accident once where I cut off the actual material here. Just glad it didn't end up like this.